How to connect your Oculus Quest 2 to your PC. So there's one way you should be able to do this. What you're gonna need is a wire. So specifically an Oculus Link wire. So for this wire will be used to basically connect your Oculus Quest 2 directly to your PC. But we're gonna explain that later anyways. So what you're gonna need is you're gonna download the Oculus Link app on your PC. So it's gonna look something like this. You can go ahead and search this in your preferred browser. Just search for your Oculus Link and you can just go ahead and download it. You can open up the app and then follow the in-app prompts, and until you find something like this, you're gonna have to select your headset. So choose your Quest 2 of course and follow the rest of the instructions. Once you've done that, and expectedly you should have already connected or plugged in both this end to your Oculus Quest 2 to your PC, which is gonna look something like this. So the end over here. But again, you can also try the USB as well if you don't have this wire, since this wire is somewhat expensive. But anyways, so once you've connected that, this little prompt should pop out on your Oculus Quest 2. So it's gonna say enable Oculus Link. So access ref apps and whatnot. But other than that, if you don't get this option, you should be able to get a similar option in your quick settings. So go ahead to your quick settings, go to quick actions and find the Oculus Link option. Go ahead and press on that and see if it then works. But doing this process should allow you to use and connect both your Oculus Quest 2 to your PC. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.